we're doing ball mastery. First exercise is ground juggling using inside foot. Okay. So, pag nag-ground juggling tayo, kailangan nakabend ng konti yung tuhod. Okay, side view, tingin. So, then arms nasa side. For balance, taas, naka-bend siya. Then, for beginners, ganito muna. Para makuha yung tamang rhythm. Okay. Then, once in a while, glance forward. To check if you are improving. Na hindi nawawala yung bola kahit di nakatingin. Okay. If you think, kaya na, bumibilis ka na. Okay. Unti-unti mag-hop or jumping. Okay. So, try to make it faster. Okay. That's ground juggling.